This is the picture when the VHF is off. The VHF microphone is off. The VHF DSC is integrated to VHF. It is also power off. Click the power button to turn the VHF on. The lamps on the display are illuminated, and the unit can receive and transmit messages. This is now the picture when the VHF is power on. The VHF microphone is on. The VHF DSC is on. Now back to VHF. The purpose of the VHF transceiver is to allow very high frequency ship-to-ship, shore-to-ship or ship-to-shore communication. The VHF transceiver operates in both simplex and duplex, in the frequency range 156.025 MHz to 160.025 MHz. The frequencies are locked to channels. 1 watt power setting. Click to select 1 watt low power transmission setting. The key illuminates. Click again to return to high power transmission. The key is darkened. Dual watch key. For selecting a channel to be used in dual watch with channel 16. Channel 16 key. For quickly selecting the distress and emergency channel 16. Entered data is stored. Note that all parameter inputs require a subsequent push of the Enter key. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the numeric keys. To adjust the volume as appropriate. To adjust the squelch until the noise just disappears. To transmit, click on the VHF microphone to take it off the hook. Click and hold the transmit key on the VHF microphone while talking. The transmit key turns yellow indicating it is transmitting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.